Dear students, in this video you will learn how we can create the constructor in a class and how we can call the constructors in a class. So let us start with the programming example. So generally we create the classes, constructors and use of the constructor using ABAP editor. So we need a transaction and the transaction code is SE38. So go to SE38, which will open the ABAP editor. Now give the program name. Suppose in my case I am creating the new program ZLCL underscore vehicle. Now click on the create button. Give the title of the program. This is our constructor program, so I am assigning here the constructor example program. Now assigning the type, which is our executable program, then click on the save button. Assign the package name. In my case I have used temporary package. Now the ABAP editor has been opened. Now here I am going to create a class, and the class we generally create using the class keyword, class LCL underscore vehicle, and generally we define with the help of definition. Now there are number of characteristics of the constructor that I have discussed in the previous video, and the link of this previous video I have set in the description box. So in the description box you can check it. Now the first thing that I want to tell you about the characteristics of the constructor is the constructor is always declared in the public section, and generally we use two sections, that is also called access modifiers, that is public section and private section. And methods we declare with the help of methods addition, methods, and then constructor. Then we are using importing. This is our second characteristic of the constructor, that the constructor can take only the importing interface, importing parameters. This is an importing parameter IV underscore make, and the type is string. Another parameter I am assigning here IV underscore model, and then type is again string. So a vehicle can have make and model parameters. Now come to the private section. This is our private section, in which we generally declare the data so that we can make it secure. Take the data MV underscore make, and the type is our string. Similarly, we are taking another data object MV underscore model, and the type is our string. So by this way you can create the data objects. Now I am also taking an example of the static attributes, and generally we declare the static attributes with the help of class data. So we can also take here, this is class data and GV underscore N underscore O underscore vehicles, and type I am assigning here the integer type, and then end class. So here we have defined the class, use the petty printer for the formatting purpose, save the class. Now we are going to implement the class. So again we will take the class keyword and then class name the same that we have taken, LCL vehicle, and then implementation. Now we need to define the method, and we have taken the method is constructor. So this is our constructor. We have not taken the right name here, so CONSTRUCTOR. Constructor, and the constructor or method is always ended with the end method statement. Use the Pretty Blender and assigning the values of the formal parameters to the attributes of the class. So I am assigning here IV underscore make, which is our temporary parameter data objects, and assigning it to the attributes of the class. One more thing that I want to tell you about the constructor, and generally constructor characteristic is the constructor is used to initialize the attributes of the class, or used to initialize the class members. In this statement I am adding 1 to this static attribute. So we have created here the class. Now if you want to call the constructors, and there is another characteristic of the constructor is automatically called when you create the object of the class. So generally we create the object using the reference variables, and we create the reference variable using the data statement. Data go underscore vehicle is our object, and then type refer to. So we will take here the class name. The class name is, in my case, is LCL vehicle. So we have created here the reference variable. Now if you want to create the object of the class, then we use the addition or keyword create object, and the object name must be the same of reference variable. So object name is go underscore vehicle. Now if you need to export the values, because we are after the class, when we declare something, that comes into the part of the main function. So this is our main function, and if you want to export the values of these IV underscore make and IV underscore model, so we need to export the value. So we will take here the exporting interface or exporting parameter IV underscore make equal to Ferrari. Similarly, I am assigning here IV underscore model equal to, and model is our, suppose, LXI 40. So you can see when the constructor of the class will call when we are creating the object of a class, and the parameters will exporting from this one to this one, and then this one constructor will assign the parameter values to the attribute of a class. Now suppose if you want to display the values that we have assigned using the constructor, then we need to create the another method. For creation of the methods, we will add another method, suppose display underscore attributes. Now click on the save button. We need to use here the colon because we are going to declare here the two methods. The first one is constructor and second is display underscore attributes. For making in change statement, we use only comma here, so we have taken here the colon. Now display underscore attributes we have defined here. Now we need to implement these methods, so come to this one, and for declaring the method again we will use the method keyword and then display underscore attributes. In this method we will define the implementation part of this method, so we will use here the write statement, write, and then we can print the make as well as model. So this is our make name of a car is MV underscore make. Similarly, you can also write down the model of the car. This is our model of a car is MV underscore model. Now similarly, if you want to print the number of vehicles, because we have also assigned the value to this one static attributes, you can also assign the number of to print the number of vehicles, then colon and then comma gv underscore n underscore o underscore vehicles. So by this way you can display the attributes. Click on the save button. Now we need to call this method with the help of object. So we have created the object go underscore vehicle, and the syntax is firstly use the name of the object vehicle, then use component access operator, and then method name. So method name is display underscore attributes. So in this method we no need to pass the parameters because we have not taken any interfaces here, importing exporting. So now this is the program on the constructor, how we can create and use the constructor. Now click on the save button, check the errors. Now you can see that one error is there. You may only define methods between the class implementation and end class. So we forget to end the class, and generally we end the class after the methods. So this is our end class, and then save and check for again the errors. Now another error is statement is not accessible because we are creating it into the main program, and for creation of this one object generally we use the statement start of selection. Now let us check for starting on the program. So firstly we have defined the class LCL vehicle, and then we have defined the constructor, and generally we use the constructor, and finally we have declared the another method display underscore attributes for displaying the attributes of the class, and then we have defined the implementation part in which we are going to use the constructor, and then finally we have displayed the attributes. Now in this case we have declared the global data object go underscore vehicle, which is our reference variable to the class. This is class name, and then we have finally created the object create object go underscore vehicle, and then we are going to assign the values to these exporting parameters. so that it can assign to the attributes of a class. Then go underscore vehicle, we want to call the method display underscore attribute, so we need to use here the braces here. Now click on the save button and check for the errors. So no error is there, syntactically correct. Then activate your program. Now execute the program. Now you can see the object have automatically called the constructor, and the constructor have initialized the values to the attributes of the class, and then automatically it have assigned the static attribute value. By default the value of the static attribute, because we have used the type integer, so automatically it will take the initialize the value 0, and in case of this method constructor we have add 1 to the gv underscore number underscore vehicle. So when we are executing it, it is automatically increasing the value of from 0 to 1. So by this way you can create the constructor and use the constructor. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. If you really like my videos, please click on the like button. Thank you.